Hey everyone, this video is about how to fix a spinning shower handle on American standard shower valves with these barrel style valve seats. So I recently replaced the gaskets on the valve stems on both the hot and the cold sides of the shower. And on the cold side, the gasket was really deteriorated, and the hot side, I didn't even see a gasket that was in there. Um, so when I put the gaskets in, that's the gasket right there. Um, and I screwed the valve stems back in. I noticed that the handle kept spinning on the hot side when I would turn it to shut the hot water off. The water was actually shutting off, but the handle kept spinning, and it shouldn't do that. So, I still wanted to fix the problem, even though the water was shutting off. So I went online to some plumbing sites like plbg.com and terrylove.com, and I found out what the problem is. Apparently, the problem was that the back part of this barrel part, it was not being pushed back far enough against the mating surface when I screwed the valve stem back in. And the reason for that is because when I put the new gasket in, it didn't allow the valve stem to be screwed in as far as it was previously when there wasn't even a gasket in there before. And so I found out that the way to fix the problem is to add another washer, like right here, so that the barrel gets pushed back all the way when the valve stem is screwed in. And so I went to the hardware store to find a suitable washer, but I didn't really have any luck finding the right size. So what I decided to do instead was to make my own washer. I went into the kitchen looking for some plastic containers, and I found a Tupperware container that was a little under a 16th of an inch thick. And here it is right here. And it's just the bottom part of it with the sides cut off. And so I took the plastic sheet and I carved a washer out of it, as you can see. I carved it out with an X-Acto knife, and I put the washer in right there. And there's the other washer that comes with the valve stem. So I put the washer in right there, and I screwed the valve stem back in, and I was pleased to find that it fixed the problem. The handle wasn't spinning anymore. So that should fix the problem if you're having the same type of situation with this American standard shower valve. And by the measurements for the brass washer, I'll tell you what those are. The OD is just below 7/8 of an inch, and the ID is between a half inch and 9/16, so maybe like 17/32. So any washer that you make should be close to those measurements. So that's it.